Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
This was the first time and it was really amazing. I actually didn't know what it was first, but when I saw, I understood it and it was really fun.
The workshop was good, we enjoyed it. We learned a lot about robotics and it was fun. Everyone, it was very interactive also, as sir taught us how to do block coding.
माझा एक्सपिरियन्स भरपूर बरो आसलेलो. म्हाका भरपूर इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळी, नवें नवें कितें शिकपाक मेळ्ळें.
It was very interesting. Students got to learn lot of things about now. Today what we saw was about artificial intelligence, about robots and also how things in future will be and all. That all our students got to learn from this.
माझी जी भुरगीं आसा ती केरी 70तली आसा. सो तांकां चडशे सरपा बद्दल, कित्याक ती सामकी तेंची सगळी फॉरेस्ट एरिया आसा ती, पण तांकां न्हू तेज्या बद्दल चडशी अशी म्हायती मेळ्ळी.
As you know, I mean, today the education has changed a lot from the regular blackboard teaching to making it more immersive and making it more experiential learning. So the idea of this workshop is to get teachers and to train them into producing short films or even using a lot of immersive content which is available to showcase it to students, so that learning becomes not a typical blackboard kind of experience, but a much more a different immersive experience. So that is all the workshop all about.